Okay, so today we're finally going to be putting our Petcock in our fuel tank. So, you remember we got this in the mail for our little Suzuki. Let's see how she does. Remember last time it was leaking from there, you know. So, hopefully it'll be a good fit. Everything's good. I mean, guys, spend the extra money for these little guys here. Don't get in the habit of having stuff leaking, especially fuel. That's how fires happen. You know that. I don't have to give you a safety lesson, I don't think. You know, some of you. I don't know. But yeah, glad it came in the mail. Especially this time of year because, you know, presents and all coming in the mail. You know, and that. But yeah, I'm glad we're going to be able to do a kind of real quick jobby here. You know. Alright, so remember, this was all crusty and everything. I'm not going to hoard this, I promise. But, you know. Let's see here. What is all this here? Alright. So, the new one came with a new gasket there. Just goes right in place. You kind of snap it in with your thumbs. You know. So, put it in. Put it in. Oh, almost forgot. Also comes with that little extension thing. Let me make sure that this is on there good. There we are. Alright. Slide her in there. Nice and neat like. Looks like it also came with some new gaskets for your bolts. That's pretty cool, eh? Alright, put that in there. Alright. Put your other gasket on. Now, here in a minute, after we get done tightening these down, turn it to off, of course. We'll flip it up and see if that solved our problem. I'm thinking we're going to give it about a 95% chance of that solving our problem there. It was just kind of leaking everywhere. But what I seen was pretty much the fuel tank leaking from the Petcock there. So don't over tighten it. Don't go tighten it down to Albuquerque, New Mexico there. All the way from Michigan, all the way to New Mexico. Leave it in the comments if you want me to mention your town. Tightening things and all, you know. I'll do it. I say tighten it all the way down there to Canada or New Zealand or, you know. Alright, so got our handy dandy. You get these at the dollar store, by the way. Can you see that? Let's see if we have any kind of leakage here other than what we want. Okay, let's go to the on position. All right, we got leakage. That's good. Let's go to reserve. All right, we got it at reserve. Okay, guys, let's fix our problem. Alrighty, now we can put it on the quad. Let's do that. Also, let me put this back where I had it at. Also, we can do a mail call here too. Let me back you up here. Oh, sorry about the shaking. We do a mail call also today. I looked at the carburetor on that Suzuki, and I ordered this here. Part number X0037, T is in Tom, O is in office, F is in Frank, U is in unicorn, and 3. This, there's your part number. I'll put it in the description. This, by the way, is the come on now. Is the that plastic with that round gasket there for that Suzuki. The reason why is because I start looking at that one that I had, and it had a hairline crack in it. Well, that ain't no doggone good now. So let me get this open without messing stuff up here. There we are. Put this to the side. Yeah, this is also going to go on that little Suzuki. I'll show you that little black O-ring there that was supposed to be on there. It was cracked and then went right through the O-ring, and the O-ring was split in half. How about that, eh? So this is going to prevent some sucking air, you know. So let's go ahead and put that on there. I'll bring you back. So this one right here goes right in between here. Can you see that? Well, come on and scoot up a little. There you are. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Let's see how that goes in there, eh? Probably just like that, huh? All right. Well, where's the screws for the thing? Where did I put the screws? Jumping back and forth. This project to that project, you tend to. Okay, here we go. There's just 2 screws here. All right. Let's get her up there. Yeah, that's going to prevent any kind of sucking air, you know. We don't want that because you're going to have to try to like find the source and all. And I know sometimes people say you can find it easily by ether, but I just don't like spraying ether on hot things or things that are running and you know, all that jazz, you know. My hand's all in the way, I know. You don't want to see me struggle with that, but that's where it goes. Goes in the center. I'll bring you back when I get it all tightened up there. Okay, now that we got that on, be patient with this one right here. Oh, where's my light? This one right here is a little tricky, guys. Be patient with that. That one right there. Oh, my bad. Be patient with that one right there. Yeah, that one's a pain in the butt. All right, let's get our tube back on. Get some pliers for that one. The lighting situation. Come on with it. Okay, there it goes. All right. Let me get something to clamp that real quick. Let's get our fuel tank on with our new Petcock. Real quick. Okay. Come on. Don't be shy. You can go in there. I promise you. Okay, there you go. Alright. Now, hook up our new Petcock on the other side. Our temporarily piece of hose there is not long enough. So let me get a piece of hose real quick. Right here. There we go, nice and long. We can cut it to size. It's a tight fit, so you shouldn't need a clamp for this one. But if you feel safe, if you feel safer, put a clamp on it, you know. I'll cut it right about there. Let me bring it around real quick. Alright, bring it up. Clip it right about there. Okay. There we are. Now, there wasn't an inline filter right here. I wonder if I can find one. Or is the filter in here? Oh yeah, the filter is in here, isn't it? Inside that Petcock. Inside that new Petcock, I think, right here. Alright, let's see if we have any leaks. Again. There we go. Nice and neat. Okay. No leaks. Let's hook up our temporary battery. I'm waiting on a battery for it in the mail. You know, like one of those Mighty Max batteries from Amazon. They're like 20 bucks. They fit these things just good. Just right, rather. Let's see. Let me jack this thing up and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, that's going to do it for now for that little quad. Remember, I got to get the battery in the mail and button up some of them plastics. I was going to take it for a drive, but what if I stall out down the road? I'm not pushing that thing back home. So yeah, we'll wait till we get that battery in the mail, and then we'll take it for a ride. But yeah, with that being said, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.